Hello ladies! Date 16 and first date of 2025. Ang nabunot ko ay donut date. Siyempre, magmamaganda tayo for today. Baka may makilala tayong car guy sa BGC. Fit check with my pussycat dress. Donut date to, pero nag-crave ako ng siopaw, so kumain ako ng siopaw. That's the beauty of solo dating, no? Your date, your rules. Walang magreklamo or kukontra sa trip mo. I'm feeling fancy today, so sa KK ako kumain. Kahit pa Dunkin' girly ako. Medyo mahaba yung pila, tsaka medyo mabagal sila kumuha ng orders. LOL! Ang in-order ko ay ring-filled New York cheesecake, pistachio crunch, at small cappuccino. The coffee was okay, balance lang ang pait at milk. The donuts were too sweet for me, but I love the flavors na napili ko. Buti na lang cappuccino ang pinili ko kasi nabalance yung tamis ng donuts. Don't judge me guys, pero naubos ko yung 2 donuts, lol. Naglakad na lang ako pa uwi para ma-burn ng calories. All in all, as a sweet tooth and a sweet girl, I enjoyed this simple solo date. Follow for date 17. Bye!